Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 12 Steps, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into ADP Employee Account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I'll be showing you on this video, and then you can log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for ADP Employee Login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will be on your screen. Click on the first link or the link that says logins, and this will take you to the official website of ADP, where now you can see many options on your screen like common logins or all logins. Click on all logins and the options given below will change, and here you can see options for employee login as well. Click on employee login. Now after you do so, you'll be redirected to a different page where you need to input your ADP user ID to continue to your employee account. Now just input your user ID and click on next. If you are on your own private computer, you can also tick this box for remember my user ID for easier access next time. But I would not recommend you do so if you are on a public computer. Now after inputting your user ID, then click on next and you will take you to a different page where now you need to input your password as well. Now just type in your password and then hit on continue or next, and after you do so, you'll be logged in into your ADP employee account. And that's how you can log in into your ADP employee account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.